Welcome back, children. Today we are going to study about simple past tense. From this lesson, we can study about the uses and when and where we want to use the simple past tense. Simple past tense shows an action that happened in the past and is over now. Example: he worked in Dubai last year. He worked in Dubai last year. Here, work shows past action. Let's take a small example. The children jumped into the river. He worked in Dubai last year. Here, jump and work are root or base verbs. We add the suffix ed to form jumped and worked. Next one, we use was, were, did, had auxiliary verbs in simple past tense. Examples: I was in Japan last year. She had a headache yesterday. We did our homework last night. They were in Iceland last January. When the subject is in singular, we use was auxiliary verb. Subject is plural, we use were. Example: I was in Japan last year. Here I show singular. They were in Iceland last January. Here they shows plural. Now we want to learn about regular and irregular verbs and its role in the formation of simple past tense. First one, regular verb. The regular past simple tense in English language is usually formed by ed ending. Example: work, worked, stay, stayed. Here, after the root verb, we add ed to form worked and stayed. Here, work is the root word and its simple past tense is worked. It's same for all persons, singular and plural. Example: I started, you started, he started, we started, and they started. Here, I is first person singular, you second person singular and plural same one. And he is third person singular, we first person plural, and they third person plural. Here, some spelling rules in simple past tense. First one, we add d, not ed, to the word that ends in e. Example: like, liked, love, loved. Here, we add d only after the root verb. If the verb is ends with y changes to ed. Example: carry, carried, try, tried. Next rule is verb has only one syllable and ends in a single vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant. Example: stop, stopped, fit, fit. Here double the consonant and after we add ed to form simple past tense. Stop, stopped, stop, stop doubled, pped. Next one is irregular verbs. Verbs all have unique past simple form, that is in a V1, V2, V3. In V1, drove, in a V2, drew, and V3, drawn. Lead, led, led. Read, read, read. As you can see from the example, some of the forms are completely different. Example: drove, drew, drawn. Some have different infinitive, but the two other ones are same. Example: lead, led, led. Some have the same spelling but different pronunciation. Example, read, read, read. And some have the same spelling and pronunciation. That is cut, 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 set, set, set. Our next section is past tense in question. For all words, regular or irregular, we past tense of auxiliary verb plus subject plus V1 form of the verb plus object plus question mark. Example, did she talk to him this morning? Did you ride your bicycle yesterday? Did they work on the farm yesterday? Here, did is the auxiliary verb. She, you, they are subjects. And talk, ride, work are the V1 form of the verb. Next one is past simple in negative sentence. Its formation is subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus V1 form of the verb plus object. Example, I didn't want to come over last night. We didn't walk to school this morning. They didn't listen to the radio yesterday. See children, remember, after did auxiliary verb, we want to use V1 form of the verb. Here, some exercise for you. Complete the sentences using simple past tense. First question, last year I go dash to England on holiday. Here, we want to find out the past tense form of go. And second one, it be dash fantastic. We want to find out the past tense form of be. Then third, I visit dash lots of interesting places. Here we want to write the past tense form of visit. Let's check the answers. Our first answer is last year I went to England on holiday. Here went is the past tense form of go. Second answer, it was fantastic. Here, first and third person singular past of be is was. Third answer, I visited lots of interesting places. Here, visited is the past tense form of visit. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. Thank you for your kind attention.